Hello friends, welcome to Get My Job channel. In today's video, we'll see top 10 questions for cracking electrical engineer's job interview. Topic for today's video is transformer. So friends, prepare for the interview for the job of electrical engineer. Let us know the top question on transformer which are asked during the electrical engineering job interview. To support your interview preparation, I'll be publishing series of such videos on each aspect of electrical. To get such videos on first hand, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, let us see the typical question asked during electrical engineer's job interview. When is it necessary to dry out a transformer? As a result of tests carried out, if the presence of moisture is indicated or the oil does not withstand the test as recommended by the manufacturer or the insulation resistance readings are not satisfactory, it shall be necessary to dry out the transformer. What are the methods of drying out a transformer core and coils? Drying with core and coils in oil by short circuit method. Drying with oil removal by external heat. Drying under vacuum. What are the precautions to be taken when drying out a transformers? The transformer should never be left unattended during drying out. This must be done under continuous and competent supervision. The temperature should be carefully observed, which should not exceed 90 degrees centigrade. Only spirit type thermometer shall be used. No naked light and flame shall be allowed in the vicinity of transformer being dried out, and firefighting equipment should be kept ready during the dry out period. Low voltage hand lamp should be used for inspection of the tank from inside. How will you ascertain the completion of drying out? During the drying out period, the measurement of insulation resistance should be taken every 2 years at practically constant temperature. In the course of time, when the insulation resistance remains constant for a period of 24 hours at a value greater than its suggested value, the drying out process is to be taken as completed. Why the low voltage winding is placed near the transformer core? In the transformer, for a given conducting material, insulation required depends on the voltage. Hence, if the high voltage winding is placed near the transformer core, more insulation is required to insulate between transformer core and high voltage winding. This results in increase in the cost of insulation material, and also size of transformer increases significantly. Thus, low voltage winding is placed near the core, which requires less insulation between core and LV winding. What are different insulation material used in power transformers? In power transformers, the primary insulation medium and cooling medium is the transformer oil. It serves the purpose of both insulation and cooling. Apart from the transformer oil, different insulation materials employed are oil impregnated paper, pressboard, wood, mica, and asbestos. What are routine tests for the transformer? These are carried out on every transformer before dispatch to ensure that it is in accordance with the specification. Some of these tests come under the routine tests are measurement of the winding resistance, verifying the polarity of winding, measurement of load losses and impedance voltages, measurement of no load losses and no load current, electrical tests at power frequency. What are the type tests for the transformer? Type tests are performed on the first transformer of one type and are intended to check the design characteristics. It is presumed that every transformer would also comply with the type test since its design is identical. The type tests are temperature rise test, test of ability to withstand full wave impulse, test for switching impulse withstand, noise level test. What is monthly basis maintenance of the transformer? What kind of maintenance transformer require on monthly basis. The action to be taken on power transformer in monthly basis: the oil level in the oil cup under silica gel breather must be checked in 1 month interval. If it is found the transformer oil inside the cup comes below the specified level, oil is to be topped up as per specified level. Breathing holes in silica gel breather should also be checked monthly and properly cleaned if required for proper breathing action. If the transformer has oil filled bushing, the oil level of transformer oil inside the bushing must be visually checked in the oil gauge attached to those bushing. This action is also to be done on monthly basis. If it is required the oil to be filled in the bushing up to correct level, oil filling is to be done under shutdown condition. What are daily basis maintenance and checking of transformer? There are three main things which are to be checked on a power transformer on daily basis: reading of MOG, magnetic oil gauge, of main tank and conservator tank, basically to indicate oil level in the transformer; color of silica gel in breather; leakage of oil from any point of transformer. In case of unsatisfactory oil level in MOG, oil is to be filled in the transformer and also the transformer tank to be checked for oil leakages. If the oil leakage is found, take required action to plug the oil leakage. If silica gel becomes pinkish, it should be replaced. What is yearly basis maintenance for the transformer? The auto, remote, manual function of cooling system, that means oil pumps, air fans and other items engaged in the cooling system of transformer along with their control circuit is to be checked in the interval of 1 year. In case of trouble, investigate the control circuit and physical condition of pumps and fan. All the bushing of transformer to be cleaned by soft cotton cloths yearly. During cleaning, the bushing should be checked for cracking. Oil condition of OLTC to be examined every year. For that, oil sample is to be taken from the drain wall of the diverter tank and this collected oil sample to be tested for BDV strength or dielectric strength and moisture content. If the BDV is low and ppm for the moisture is found high compared to the recommended value, the oil inside the OLTC to be replaced or filtered. Mechanical inspection of Bucose relay to be carried out on yearly basis. All marshalling boxes to be cleaned from inside at least once in a year. All illumination space heater to be checked whether they are functioning properly or not. If not, required maintenance action to be taken. All the terminal connections of control and relay wiring to be checked and tightened at least once in a year. All the relays, alarms and control switches along with their circuit in R&C panel, basically R&C is relay and control panel, and RTCC, remote tap changer control panel, to be cleaned by appropriate cleaning agent. The pockets for OTI, WTI, this is OTI is oil temperature indicator and WTI is winding temperature indicator on the transformer top cover to be checked and if required oil is to be replenished. The proper function of pressure release device and Bucose relay must be checked annually. For that, trip contacts and alarm contacts of the said devices are shorted by a small piece of wire and observed whether the concerned relays in remote panel are properly working or not. Insulation resistance and polarization index of transformer must be checked with a battery operated measure of 5 kV range. Resistive value of each earth connection and riser must be measured annually with the clamp on earth resistance meter. DGA or dissolved gas analysis of transformer should be performed annually for 132 kV transformer, once in 2 years for transformer below 132 kV, and in 2 years interval for the transformer above 132 kV transformer. What kind of maintenance is to be done for transformer once in 2 years? the calibration of OTI, that means oil temperature indicator, and WTI, that is winding temperature indicator, must be carried out once in 2 years. Tan delta measurement of bushing of transformer also be done once in 2 years. What is the maintenance required for the transformer on half-yearly basis? The transformer oil must be checked half-yearly basis. That means once in 6 months for dielectric strength, water content, acidity, sludge content, flash point, DDA, IFT, resistivity for transformer oil. So friends, I hope this information was useful for you and you will take advantage of it, and it will help you in cracking your electrical engineer's interview. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you friends.